The brain detox loophole. They told you to eat right, exercise, meditate, take your pills, but they never told you this. Your brain has a self-cleaning switch, and it's been turned off. The brain detox loophole, what American doctors don't want you to know, presented by the silent libraries, the secret system. In elite labs, hidden from public eyes, a discovery rocked the medical world. The glymphatic system, a detox network inside your brain. It works while you sleep, but only under the right conditions. And in America, those conditions almost never happen. Engineered distraction, blue light, noise, screens, sugar, pills. Your environment is designed to keep the detox system offline. And when symptoms show up, they call it aging and sell you another prescription. The damage. The brain starts to drown in waste, memory loss, brain fog, anxiety, depression. But here's what they won't tell you. It's reversible. Ancient escape. Ancient wisdom held the key. Silence, fasting, cold water, bare feet on the earth, not rituals. Neurotechnology, thousands of years ahead of science. The loophole. You can escape the system, reboot the loop. You are not broken. You are blocked. Unlock the detox. Reclaim your mind. They hid the truth. But now, you know.